AY Electronics Group established 39 years ago, okay? Headquartered in the dynamic startup nation Israel. We are 400 employees globally, and we are a tailor-made supply chain worldwide and production solution, a game changer in the world of time to market. Together with the customer, we decide where to manufacture at a competitive cost and the highest quality. The combination of either design and production on the same roof, it's highly important to go fast and smooth to the market when you have existing product. You want to have a short time to market to sell your product. AY Electronics Group successfully leverage decades of expertise all in the same umbrella. It's A to Z solution. It's rare, it's unique, and the combination is highly important for the end customer. We provide a professional transaction from the NPI to the mass production. In the group, our subsidiary, Shiratech, an ODM solution, supporting Tier 1 customers such as Analog Device, ST, Intel, Microsoft, Qualcomm, all on the same roof, and distributed by Global Aero. We provide production, optimizing supply chain in the landed cost view of the customer itself. Shiratech mentioned hardware and software integration together with integrated system, all-on module. It's innovation technology capability. It's highly important to the customer. We're going to launch this year the German office. We're going to leverage our technical capability together with the complete umbrella services of our group.
Hi, my name is Thomas. I'm the new member of the AY Electronics Group, and we will open the new office in the Frankfurt area soon. I'm very excited. Yeah, we are very excited to give enhanced support for our customers.